Welcome to our crazy life. We're a family of 7 traveling the world full-time.
Chris, Leslie, Lucy, Grant, Lincoln, Harrison, and Grace.
We are the 7 Wayfinders. Amazing. Children, look at the window.
What?
Look. It looks like we're gonna fall off. Huh? Oh my goodness. Look at that view. Oh, that is amazing.
They're really unhappy.
Yeah, they're excited. Look at those towns. All right, here goes the drone. See you, drone. That's tricky. Woohoo! It's a party.
They're so trusting.
I think of Disneyland.
This is like a Disneyland ride.
Yes, it is.
So beautiful. So beautiful.
Whoa, look at that. No! Come on. Okay, go forward. Come on. Harrison, let's not do that, kid. It's not a good example for Grace. No. Gracie. A boat. You see boats? I see fishies. I see lots of fishies. Fishy food. Whoa, look. Wow, look how pretty. Look how pretty it is. Look at that church, Grandma. Wow. It's amazing. Look at the church bells ringing, Gracie. Are the church bells ringing? You're gonna go sing them?